Hello everyone, and welcome back to WristView. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Casio Enticer MTP-V002L, a simple and affordable watch that offers a clean, timeless design. But before we get started, let's do a quick wrist check. Today, I'm wearing the Casio F91W. It was actually the first watch I reviewed on this channel, and if you'd like to check out that video, you'll find it in the I button above. Now, let's get into today's watch. Opening the box, we get the watch itself, along with the user manual, warranty card, and the usual Casio documentation. Everything looks neat and well packaged. And here it is. My first impression is that it looks even better in person. The combination of the silver dial and brown leather strap gives it a really clean and timeless appearance. The watch features a classic 3-hand analog display with a date window at the 3 o'clock position, which is always a useful feature to have. The dial is easy to read, and the large numerals make checking the time effortless. It's powered by Casio's reliable Quartz Movement, with an accuracy of plus or minus 20 seconds per month and a battery life of around 3 years. The watch has a 37mm case size, which I think is a great size for everyday wear. It's lightweight at around 40 grams, and once it's on the wrist, it's comfortable enough to wear all day without any issues. The mineral glass and water resistance also add a bit of extra confidence for daily use. What I really like about this watch is how versatile it is. You can wear it to college, the office, a family function, or even just for a casual day out. It's simple, elegant, and does exactly what a good everyday watch should do. For the price, I honestly think Casio has done a great job with this one. If you're interested in checking it out, you'll find the link in the description below. Let me know what you think about the Casio MTP-V002L in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to WristView for more watch unboxings and reviews. And I'll see you in the next one.